Bird watching, or birding, is one of the top pastimes in America. With 1 out of 5 Americans involved, it could be said that birding is the most popular hobby in the United States. Evergreen has long been a friend to the birds, and we offer numerous products to help everyone enjoy their favorite feathered friends. One easy way to encourage birds to come and visit is with our feeders. We offer a wide variety of styles and types, made of different materials like metal, glass, and painted polystone. In our catalog, you'll find traditional seed feeders, suet feeders, and even specialized feeders for hummingbirds. We provide various material options in birdbaths as well, though the runaway favorite is our glass birdbath. They are true showstoppers with their sculpted and hand-painted designs. Our glass birdbaths come in 18-inch, 16-inch, and 11-inch sizes. Finally, our many designs of birdhouses offer a convenient place for little winged ones to nest. Made of either wood or polystone, our birdhouses are styled and painted to coordinate with the season, from spring florals to winter snow. Our year-round solutions will keep birds coming back to homes and garden as they help birds stay housed, bathed, and fed.